Welcome back, y'all, to another video, another vlog. I did tell y'all when I went to Sam's that I was gonna make my honey teriyaki chicken wings the way I make mine. So what better way to do it on a Sunday? Chill, relax, watch a football game. But we're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. But before we do that, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Run these numbers up because y'all doing a wonderful job, So I'm gonna go ahead and turn y'all around. Let's go ahead and make these chicken wings, okay? Let's get it. Okay, I went on and washed and prepped the chicken or whatever. But these are my seasonings that I'm using. Some pepper, complete. That's for my sauce. Some garlic. And I might add some other type of, let's add some onion powder to it. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and put this chicken stuff together. All right. So this is what I put in my teriyaki. I put dark brown sugar. You don't need that. Some honey. You're gonna top it off with some sesame seeds and parsley. That's at the end. Some ginger for extra boost. But then you need the ginger, you know, to give it that flavor. And I use this teriyaki sauce, you know, kind of sweeten it up or whatever. But when I tell you that stuff is good, y'all, it is good. Okay, so y'all want to make sure the chicken is good and crunchy, you know what I'm saying? Because once you put the sauce on there, it's going to kind of get soft, but not, you don't want it too soft. Chicken got to be good and right, crunchy, seasoned, because when you put that sauce on there, telling you. I like the flats. Give me the flats. Easy to just suck off the bone. Alright, put this last little bit of chicken in here and then cut the grease on for the fries. Had the fries, everything done pretty much around the same time. Hear that? You hear how crunchy that is? Okay. Okay, you get the point. You get the point. Alright. So, and then Now, listen up, y'all. I'm not gonna steer you wrong. This is gonna be some good sauce right here, okay? Right now we in home ec class, so I'm teaching y'all a little bit. Teaching y'all a little bit of something. You see how crunchy that chicken is? That chicken? Okay. That chicken need to be on point. We got this last batch. We got the eggs. The eggs is boiling. I got the grease on. We're gonna have these good old fries. And it's like a party. We just go, hey, we living it up. I'm gonna catch up on some Love and Marriage Huntsville. And I'm in for the night, you hear me? So stick around. We're gonna make this sauce as soon as this last batch of chicken get done, okay? So put your eyes on so you can see it. You don't wanna miss it. So the pan is heating up. You want to take your teriyaki sauce. Put enough on there. Put enough on there that'll coat all the chicken. Okay. Put enough. You want enough so it can coat the chicken very good and very easily. Okay. After that. And put it on low because you don't want to burn it. Put it like on 4. Put it like on 4. You got some ginger, ground ginger. Put that in there. But that ain't even enough. It's not gonna be good. I lie to you not. Squeeze in some ginger. Just gonna give it flavor. Okay. Then toss in some brown sugar. You can eyeball it. You can do whatever to make it work for you. This is what we're gonna do. Throw in some brown sugar to make it sweet. Like a half a cup. But it all depends on how much chicken you got. So like a half a cup of that. About a tablespoon of honey. Or 2. This is how I do it. And you're gonna mix it up until it all get loosened up. But you don't want to burn it. Once all of this breaks down, we're gonna spread it on top of the chicken. Being that this teriyaki sauce got a whole lot of salt in it, I gotta kill the salt. You gotta kill the salt, but you gotta make it good too. So cook down that ginger, brown sugar. Keep it stirring so you won't burn it. Keep that stirred up. Yup. That's good. That teriyaki hitting. Ooh. So we got the chicken right here. That's the chicken. We're gonna pour this on top. So, bruh, this is gonna be good. This is what I do. I'm sorry. That's what I do. All right, let's toss this chicken. And it's still crunchy. It's still crunchy. Ooh, the thing hot. Throw some of this on there.
Very good. I want that.
Huh?
That smells good.
Alright. So let's fix this plate right quick. Alright, y'all. So look. Let's fix this plate. They gonna be. I like plates. Shoot. Man, if I could have all the plates, I would. I'd take all the plates. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Tell me. Good, right? Woo, thing's good. Y'all, this is really good. We're gonna test the chicken and the fries. Got a flat with some ranch. See how this tastes. Ready, set, and go. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's so good, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I'm telling y'all better try this. I showed y'all how to make it. Go on, make it. I'm about to enjoy my dinner. I'll see y'all on the flip side. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all so much. Peace out.